a luncheon, I don't know. She has $30 to spend on a mixture of cheddar cheese and Swiss cheese. How many pounds of cheese can Keisha get if she buys only cheddar cheese, only Swiss cheese, a mixture of both cheeses? What linear equation in standard form can she use to model this situation? Okay, I take issue with some of these problems, but we can look at this anyway. So first of all, they didn't include the prices of the cheese. You actually have to look at the signs to get the prices of the cheese. We are doing this in standard form, which kind of makes sense because we have two different kinds of cheeses, right? And she can spend a total of $30. So we're going to say that cheddar is our X and Swiss is our Y. And cheddar costs $3 per pound, so $3 times however much cheddar we get, plus $5 for the cheese with holes in it, 5 times that, and it's going to equal $30. Which, I mean, for some things that's helpful, right? For the first two questions, how many pounds of cheese can Keisha get if she buys only cheddar cheese? Okay, so if she only buys cheddar cheese, that means she doesn't buy any Swiss cheese, so then we have 3x plus 0 equals 30. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 10. Okay, and actually this can help us graph it. So this axis is our Swiss cheese, this axis is our cheddar cheese, and if we bought 0 Swiss, so our y value is 0, and this very, very straight line, way down here over here, we've got 10 pounds of cheddar cheese. That's a significant amount of cheddar cheese. Okay, and then what about the other way? If we go the other way and we make the x 0, so 0 plus 5y equals 30. Divide both sides by 5y equals 30. Divide both sides by 5, and y equals 6 pounds. So on the Swiss, when x equals 0 right here, on the Swiss, our y is going to equal 6. And so now we have 2 points, right? We have 2 intercepts, and so we can not draw straight lines. That would be a straight line. That should be a straight line. Use your imagination, pretend that's a straight line. So you have a straight line through from here to here, right? And we can actually put that into Desmos. 3x plus 5y equals 30. And it does all of our conversions for us, which is kind of nice. So 0, 6, and 10, 0. And any of the points in between. The issue that I have with this problem is the points in between, right? You're going to buy, I mean, I guess you can buy parts of a pound, but I don't think that they're going to be buying 7 pounds of cheddar and 1.8 pounds of Swiss. Okay, so this isn't really, this is, oh, there's one. There was one. I think 5. Yeah, 5 and 3. Okay, so 5 and 3, that is one that would work. 5 pounds of cheddar, 3 pounds of Swiss. And so these are all the different combinations that would give you, that would use up all of her money buying cheese. So the line is linear, and technically every point in here, but there's some of these that you just can't buy. Like I'm going to buy 2.61 pounds of Swiss cheese and 5.65. They're not going to let you do that. Okay, but that's what this line represents. And then of course you can buy negative cheese, and that's another issue, is you can't. I guess if you started selling cheese. But now I'm just getting off topic. Anyway, hopefully that example helps and you can kind of have a better idea of how standard form, using standard form to find your 2 intercepts and then make your line, helps with this sort of problem.